So we want to see who our main competitors are on Google Ads who are bidding for our keywords that we're using too. I love to do this. It's good to see where we are actually performing in comparison to them. We can't stop them advertising, and that's absolutely fine, but we can see how well we are doing in comparison to them, in comparison to how high we are showing above them or below them. So this is a very simple thing to do, and it's called the Auction Insights. So what I recommend doing is go to your campaign that you want to review, and then just go into this section here, and we can go to Auction Insights. Couldn't see it for a sec. And yeah, it's simple. So what we can filter down by is impression share. We can also do it by top of rate, top of page rate, and absolute top of page pay. I typically do it by impression share, and then review from the left to the right. That's what I like to do. So we can see we are showing for impression share for around 60% of the time. The top of rate page is around 90%, and the absolute top of page rate is 70%. So from just reviewing this, I can see we are doing very, very well against the competitors, which would suggest to me my budget I'm using at the moment is working well, and I wouldn't really need to spend much more than I am doing right now. So that's good. If I was lower, so in the rankings, so if I was, say, for example, Carnival Marquees, which actually isn't relevant to this campaign at all, but if we're showing under 10%, I'd think, okay, we probably need to up our spend or work on a campaign a bit more. But as we're showing 60%, a top rate page 90%, we're doing good. So it's very simple. Just to recap, we click on our campaign, and under this column here, we go to Auction Insights. Another thing to do, and another interesting one to do, we can actually go by our keywords. So if I went filtered down by clicks to see our most popular keywords, and I wanted to see the Auction Insights for just this one keyword, we can do that. So we highlight that keyword and we go to Auction Insights. And I can see again we are appearing 72% of the time, and our top of page rate is 92%. Our absolute top of page rate is 64%. So we're doing very well for that keyword. So that's two ways you can review your competitors on Google Ads. So thank you guys. I'll see you on the next.